Now next, cleavage of bond. Cleavage of bonds. Cleavage of bonds. Cleavage of bonds. Two types of cleavage. In last lecture, we started what is meant by the cleavage. Two types of cleavage. Two types of cleavage. Cleavage. One, homolytic fission or homolytic cleavage. Homolytic fission. Or homolysis. Homolysis. And second is heterolytic cleavage or heterolysis. Heterolytic cleavage. Lytic fission or heterolysis. आवाज म्यूट करा शिवानी सावंत. आवाज म्यूट. Now first homolytic fission. What is meant by the homolytic fission or homolysis? Fission or homolysis. Homolysis. In this fission, the covalent bond is broken symmetrically. So that each atom remains its own electron to form highly reactive species known as free radicals. Sankarva, known as free radicals. And they contain unpaired electron. They contain an unpaired electron. Second, heterolytic fission. Heterolytic fission in this fission the covalent bond is broken unsymmetrically unsymmetrically so that one of the atoms gain both electrons to acquire and acquires a negative charge and acquires a negative charge. A negative charge. While other atom becomes electron deficient and acquires a positive charge and acquires a positive charge. The charged products are called ions. The charged products are called ions. Such bond breaking is favored in polar solvents. Such bond breaking favor in polar solvents. There are two fissions in homolytic and other is heterolytic fissions. Homolytic fission, it is symmetrical breaking. Suppose compound A bond with the B. These electrons are symmetrically break, bonding electron pair. One electron is shifted on one atom and other electron is shifted on the other atom. Homolysis, each atom carry now one unpaired electron. म्हणजे हा ज्यावेळेस bond break होईल असा A आणि B. We break this bond. Homolysis they form free radicals. A free radical plus B free radical. A dot means one unpaired electron is free radical, A free radical plus B free radical, B dot. One unpaired electron is called the free radicals. Free radicals. This is first example. Second, chlorine. Cl2, Cl, single bond Cl. It symmetrically break in presence of light. They generate free radicals Cl dot chlorine free radical plus chlorine free radical. Chlorine free radicals. This is called the homolysis or homolytic fission. Lysis stand for the bond breaking or cleavage. Lysis शब्दाचा अर्थ काय? बॉन्ड ब्रेक होणे. हा इथं ब्रेक केलेला आहे आपण, इथं ब्रेक केलेला आहे. होमो फॉर सिमेट्रिकल. In this fission, covalent bond is broken symmetrical. म्हणजे डबल बॉन्ड हा सिमेट्रिक ब्रेक होतो. Each bond contains 2 electrons, that is bonding electron pairs, and one bonding electron pair is shifted on one atoms, and second bonding electron pair is shifted on the second atoms, and they gives each atom carry one unpaired electron. म्हणजे दोन्हीतला एक unpaired electron एक atom वरती असेल, and this unpaired electron is called the free radicals. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Free radicals. And these free radicals are highly reactive. And free radicals are highly reactive. These free radicals are generally electrical neutrals. Free radical characteristics are these are the electrically neutrals, takes place in vapor state or in solution prepared using non-polar solvent. Where they forms in vapor state. The formation of free radicals is occur in vapor state, or in non-polar solvents. Solutions prepared in non-polar solvents. Solutions prepared in non-polar solvents. And homolytic fission is catalyzed by what are the reaction conditions required or catalysis? Light, heat, and some other free radicals. Heat and some other free radicals. And some other free radicals. Some other free radicals. These are the catalysis required. This is about the homolytic fission. Homolytic fission, it is symmetrical bond breaking. A bond symmetrically break hoto. One unpaired electron goes on one atom and second unpaired electron goes on second, so that each atom remains its own electron to form highly reactive species. Bond दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन पासून बनतो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम एक एटम आणि दुसरा इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम दुसऱ्या. And each highly reactive species known as free radicals, and they contain an unpaired electrons. Free radicals are electrically neutrals. Formation usually takes place in vapor state or in the solution prepared using non-polar solvent. म्हणजे free radical कुठे जनरेट होतात? Vapor state मध्ये किंवा solution prepared using non-polar solvent. And homolytic fission is catalyzed by light, heat, or some other free radicals. Now next, heterolytic fission. Homolytic लक्षात आलं? Next, heterolytic fission. In this fission, the covalent bond is broken unsymmetrically, so that one of the atoms gain both electrons and acquires a negative charge, while other atom becomes electron deficient and acquires a positive charge. What is meant by the heterolytic fission? Here covalent bond is broken unsymmetrically. आपण इथं जो काही बॉन्ड आहे तो कसा ब्रेक होतो? Unsymmetrically ब्रेक होतो. एक्झाम्पल दाखवतो मी तुम्हाला. AB, molecule AB, now this break bond like this. Yeah. There contain bonding electron pair, and this bonding electron pair is shifted towards only one atom, each or more electronegativity. Bonding electron pair कुठे शिफ्ट होतील? त्या atomला जास्त electronegativity आहे अशा atom कडे ती bonding electron pair शिफ्ट होतील and they carry A plus plus B minus and B minus and B is more electronegative than A. Negative pair कुणीकडे जातील bonding electron pair is attracted toward the atoms which have more electronegativity. जास्त अशा atom कडे काय होतील bonding electron pair shift होतील and they carry the negative charge. Negative charge कशावरती B minus वरती. Why? The B minus is more electronegative than atom A. Suppose A is more electronegative, what happens? AB.
Fundamental of organic chemistry.
Nikhil, आवाज म्यूट कर तुझा. AB, if A is more electronegative at that time, the bonding electron pair is shifted towards A, and A carry the negative charge A minus plus B plus. This is called the homolytic fission. Homolytic fission लक्षात आलं? In this heterolytic fission. In this fission, the covalent bond is broken unsymmetrically. Heterolytic fission मध्ये काय? Bond हा unsymmetrically होतो. एका bond मध्ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन असतात and both these electrons are attracted towards only one atom. एकाच atom कडे ते इलेक्ट्रॉन जातील. And which atoms? The atoms which have more electronegativity. ज्या atom ची electronegativity जास्त आहे अशा atom कडे हे इलेक्ट्रॉन शिफ्ट होतील and this atom carry the partial negative charge, so that one of the atoms gain both electrons and acquires a negative charge while other atom becomes electron deficient. आता first example मध्ये AB मध्ये B is more electronegative than A. Bonding electron pair is shifted on B. B acquires the negative charge, more electronegative असल्यामुळं, and A is carry positive charge, while other atoms become electron deficient and acquires positive charge. And the second example, AB, now A is more electronegative than B. A carry the negative charge and B carry the positive charge. And the charged products are called ions. Charged product ला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? Ions. And such bond breaking is favor in presence of polar solvents. म्हणजे bond break होण्यासाठी heterolytic fission we require the polar solvent and initiated by आता catalyst कुठले आहेत? acids, base, oxidizing and reducing agent. Oxidizing and reducing agent. These are the catalysts or initiated required for the heterolytic: acid, base, oxidizing and reducing agent. लक्षात आलं? What is meant by the homolytic fission and heterolytic? Homolytic bond break is symmetrically. Both atoms carry one unpaired electron. That one unpaired electron is called the free radicals. Free radicals are electrically neutral, takes place in vapor state. Formation of free radicals in vapor state or in the solutions prepared using non-polar solvent. And homolytic fission is catalyzed by light, heat, and others, some other free radicals. Heterolytic fission, it is unsymmetrical bond breaking. So one of the atoms carry both bonding electron pair. दोन्हीकडे एकाकडे जातील and that atoms carry the negative charge, and second atom becomes electron deficient, carry the partial positive charge, and the charged products are called ions. And such bond breaking favor in polar solvents and initiated by acid, base, oxidizing and reducing agent. लक्षात आलं? homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. homolytic मध्ये दोघाकडे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जातील, unpaired electron, free radicals. Free radicals are formed in vapor state or in solutions prepared in non-polar solvents and initiated by light, heat, and some other free radical generators. And heterolytic fission, bond broken unsymmetrically, and one of the atoms gain both electrons and acquires a negative charge, and while other atoms become electron deficient and acquires positive charge. These are called the ions, and such bond breaking favor in polar solvents, and as well as catalyzed by acid, base, oxidizing and reducing agent. This is about the bond cleavage. Now, structure and shapes of organic molecule. Structure and shape of organic molecule. Structure and shape of organic molecules. Organic molecules. The process, that is hybridization. The process of mixing and redistribution of atomic orbitals of different energies in an isolated atom to form new set of orbital of equal energies is called hybridization. The new orbitals are called as hybrid orbitals. The new orbitals are called as hybrid orbitals. The new orbitals have a shape. The new orbitals have a shape which is different from the shape of orbital from which they are formed. Further, the hybrid orbital have maximum symmetry and definite direction in space. definite direction in space. In space. The type of hybridization, the type of hybridization of the central atom depends upon nature and number of its orbitals such as S, P, D taking part in hybridization. There are many types of hybridization. Hybridization involves using S and P orbitals. Hybridization involves using S and P orbitals. sp3 hybridization tetrahedral hybridization second sp2 hybridization trigonal hybridization, and third sp hybridization diagonal hybridization. Now, structure and shape of organic molecules. Generally, structure is determined by using the hybridizations, the process of mixing and redistribution of atomic orbitals of different energies in an isolated atom to form a new set of orbital of equal energies is called the hybridization. What is meant by hybridization? Process of mixing and redistribution of atomic orbitals. S, P, D orbitals. The mixing and redistribution of atomic orbitals of different energies. S orbital, P orbital, energy in an isolated atom to form a new set of orbital of equal energies is called the hybridization. And the new orbitals are called as hybrid orbitals. And ह्याच्यापासून जे orbitals generate होईल त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hybrid orbitals. And the new orbitals have shape which is different from the shape of orbital from which they formed. The original orbitals shape and hybrid orbitals shapes are different. The hybrid orbital have maximum symmetry and definite direction in space. Symmetry and maximum symmetry and direction in the space. The type of hybridization of central atoms depends upon the nature and number of its orbital. त्याच्यामध्ये किती nature and number आहे त्याच्यावरती depend आहे. And orbitals such as s, p, d taking part in the hybridization process. म्हणजे s orbital, p orbital and d orbitals are take part in the hybridizations. And there are many types of hybridizations: sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral, sp2 hybridization, trigonal, and sp hybridization, diagonal hybridization. हे तीन hybridization organic chemistry मध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व होतील. sp3 tetrahedral, sp2 trigonal, and sp hybridization is the diagonal hybridization. These three hybridizations are involved in organic chemistry. याच्यावरती प्रश्न लॉंग आन्सरला पडू शकतो 5 मार्काला. व्हॉट इज हायब्रिडायझेशन? Explain the structure or formation of methane molecule. अशा टाइपचे लॉंग आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स पडू शकतील जर ऑफलाईन एक्झाम झाली तर. नाउ फर्स्ट sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral, sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral, hybridization, formation of methane molecule, formation of methane molecule, CH4, formation of methane molecule, How this orbital is formed? By mixing of sp3 hybridization, by mixing of 1 2s orbital, 1 2s orbital, 2s orbital and 3 2p orbital, and 3 2p orbitals. Carbon gives rise to 4 equivalent gives rise to 4 equivalents orbitals known as sp3 hybrid orbitals, sp3 hybrid orbitals which are directed towards the corners of regular tetrahedron, towards the corner of regular tetrahedron, the angle between the hybrid orbitals, the hybrid orbitals 109.5 degree. sp3 hybridization, that is the tetrahedral hybridization, it is formed by mixing of 1 2s orbital and 3 2p orbitals. sp3 कसं फॉर्म झालेला आहे? 1 2s orbital पासून आणि 3 2p orbitals. Carbon give rise to 4 equivalent orbitals known as sp3 hybrid orbitals, and which are directed towards the corner of regular tetrahedron, and bond angle is 109.5 degree. How it is formed? S orbital, spherical shape Y Z and X. This is 2s orbital, 2s orbital plus 2px two px two px this is x 2px then 2py 2py and 2pz 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 z 2pz orbital and they overlap give rise to one sp3 hybrid orbital. One sp3 one sp3 hybrid orbital. One sp3 hybrid orbital. Hybrid orbital. Now this one sp3 hybrid orbital overlap with the 4 hydrogen atoms. They form sp. Now 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. This is 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Four sp3 hybrid orbitals, and this bond angle is 109.5 degree. 109.5 degree. 109.5 degree. Now this 4 sp hybrid orbital is overlapped with the 4 hydrogen atoms to form methane molecule. आणि इथून काय तयार होईल? Methane molecules तयार होतील. They overlaps react with 4 H atoms overlapping and they forms sp3 hybrid orbitals. म्हणजे इथं H, here H, H and H. Like the structure is like this. H, C, H,